Okay, there you go. All right, well, it doesn't feel as cold as it should be. We just had a blizzard, and yeah. All right, let's go, Paula. Hold on, move. All right, you ready? All right, let's go. You have to do this business. But so far, it's just a little wet on my eyes. Might need to get some sort of running glasses, because so I'd be able to see better on these conditions. Especially when it's raining, maybe in the summer. And whew, my dog likes to pull. People are out there cleaning their yard already. Come on. Come on. Alright. This is not bad. He's having fun. He likes this stuff. This is the first snowstorm that we've had for a while. Considering every year it's always this bad. Every month or a couple of weeks, but never really got much this year. Alright, come on. Good job. Oh goodness, this is kind of pulling a little hard today because of all of the snow. He likes it. I had to rip one out there. Alright, just keep moving. That's the key. Just gotta keep moving. It's nice. Can't run on the snow because it's not slippery. I prefer it like this than running on ice. So I'm gonna check my camera halfway so that it doesn't stop recording. Do you guys know like a good quality camera that has stabilization? What would you guys recommend? Because I'm gonna look for one of those camcorders, maybe a GoPro, but I'm using my phone right now. I mean, it works. Yes. I want something that is more made for actual running outdoors. I don't know how the cold will really impact my phone if it's more susceptible to the cold, but it shouldn't. The only thing really that I'd worry about in any conditions, maybe rain, you know, the snow isn't really wet until you melt it. So if this turns out okay, I'll probably keep just using my phone. Otherwise, I think like GoPro would be cool. So yeah, we're gonna take a turn here. Cody knows where to go, or maybe not. He has two pathways to go because his mom walks him every other day and I run him 3 times a week. So he has at least like 2 places that he thinks that he could go. One over there, I'm putting that direction there. One over here. Let's go. Oh man, it's a little bit shaky there. It's gonna be a long run, but as you can see, it looks freaking beautiful. It's not that, I mean, the idea of it, trees covered in snow. The road is like, there's no road underneath the snow that existed. But then you see cars, so. Okay, turning left here. It's usually a significant lot, but it's a lot of sand that gets covered with ice and with snow. So, I mean, there's probably still markings from that pole right there, she's sniffing. But, you know, I'll probably do this a few times until he gets satisfied, or after he gets his business, after he does his poop. And it's not too bad. Alright, Connor. Come on. You can do this. Okay? Me and you. It's me and you today. All those people are getting up early to clean roads, make sure everything's cleared out, so people can be safe out there driving. So you have to drive through this crap, be careful out there, okay? Pay attention, and no matter how a good driver you are, it's always gonna be, there's always gonna be idiots, you know? So, okay, that's it. break time. And real question is, it was colder yesterday, it was colder Sunday, and it didn't snow. So I was wondering why every time it snows like this, it never gets that cold. It has something to do with something snow covering something that's making it not cold. You can imagine it would be the ground. I mean, the ground only it makes cold when it's cold outside. So, and we're still outside. Okay. We got lots of piles of snow here. He doesn't mind running through them. And peeing on them, of course. I have to adjust my phone all the time. I don't want it to fall. Try to find all this crap. This is giving me a nice resistance so far. So we're not even halfway there. Snows a little bit, like 4 to 6 inches. I think that's what the news said. Everyone should try this. It's not for everybody, but when it snows like this and you're out here and you're running towards your half finish line, right? And you want to quit, you can't really quit because you can't call for a ride, you can't call an Uber, you just finish it. You're halfway there already. Come on, Cora, let's go. This is his favorite spot here. He always sniffs around this area. I think he has. Come on, Cora. Come on. He wants to turn around, but he always does this. Come on, we're not turning around. Come on. He always wants to turn around in this area too. Come on, Cora. Let's go. Oh, almost slipped there. Come on, let's go. And I do have to go to work today too, so luckily it's close, Been on this for, I don't remember when I started last year. Summertime, I think. Summertime when I started running, maybe even before that. So I'm like 6 months in, give or take. That's with my dog, he's been doing this with me for 6 months. He's 10 years old. He's kind of showing his joints a little bit. you know, limping here and there. But when he does limp like that, you know, I don't run him all the way. Maybe just a quarter. Or I take him for a walk. So he wasn't limping today, so it's good. He needs that constant exercise, running, walking, but running is probably better for him when they got 4 legs. My wife always tells me that take it easy on him, but you know, every time we go out here, I'm gonna tell this dog to take it easy on me, you know. And we're turning left here, Coda. He knows where to go. Cover my face again. That snow splashing my face pretty good. It's this time. I have to constantly adjust my phone here. And see how he's taking the lead now. I still feel the resistance on my legs. Turn to the left. Oh, there's no from the shoe. And I had to put plastic on my socks too. I wanted to get wet. I mean, it's not wet, but you know, plastic also protects your feet from getting too cold. Keep it insulated. I don't know how much talking I'm gonna do, but I'm running out of air, and I'm running out of breath. I'm running out of ideas. Something might just come up. Oh God. Oh, he's doing his business. Gonna move around. Now, why am I doing this? It's not to show off. Well, maybe part of it, but it's just my routine. 3 times a week for 50 to 55 minutes a month. I don't sprint or anything like that. I don't speed up. Just a normal low heart rate. I've heard a lot of people talk about how that's more beneficial to your heart rather than intense workouts. But you know, I don't really feel any different. But Or just listen to the experts, I guess, right? But anyway, it's just a new research, I think. So maybe I thought that it's new, but maybe I thought it's new because I just found out about it. So we're almost halfway there. Coda. Okay. Like ice. Okay. Talking do help a lot. It'd be fun if you started running and you ran with your friends or something. That'll be ideal. That'll be the ideal. Kind of sucks to be alone out here. No, not alone. I have Bubba. But then, it is what it is. And I can't have excuses. And I'm gonna use that excuse for, well, it's boring out there. Or I don't have friends to run with. Or I don't have a dog. Or something else, well, all this healthy choices that I made so far because I had a gout. Now, let me tell you something about gout. Okay? It's not that bad, but your foot hurts so much that even one thing that touches it, you feel the pain, so you cannot use your foot at all. You can't move. One time when I had my gout, when I had my gout, my son was 2 years old, and he had one of those dump trucks, that they push us around. It's about maybe like 6 inches tall, big wheels, and I stayed home and had my gout. Couldn't move. I was sitting on the couch, or I was sitting on bed. I think I just woke up, and I just woke up, and my family already left for daycare and school. And my foot hurt. So I got up, tried to tap my way to the kitchen and through the living room. But, it hurts. So I was thinking of an idea on how to get around the house. And then I saw this dump truck. So I grabbed a pillow, put it in the back of the dump truck, and laid my knee that has my gout on. My knee didn't have gout, my foot did. My left foot hurt like hell. So yeah, that's how I got around the house, wheeling myself with my 2-year-old dump truck. And then after I got better, I got a doctor's appointment. Well, before I got better, was still limping when I got to the doctor. And nice a little bit here. So anyway, after my gout, I get my blood work done to make sure everything is good. And before this, I did a little research, you know, when my foot's starting to hurt. I had research about it. I found that gout is pretty common, and during those time I've been drinking a lot of alcohol and red meat and stuff and sugar. So and I completely changed my whole lifestyle. Not eating, no, I still drank and I still ate sugar, but I started exercising. I did some cardio workouts and stuff. You know, that's when after I got my results back. Even when I got my results back, I started doing exercising, and before I get my results back. So yeah, I did 3 times a week of intense cardio. Did it get intense in the first month? No. I was taking a lot of breaks, like every 2 minutes, but that's okay. You're easing your body into the workout. So don't get discouraged if you had to take a break. And you gotta take a break, because you're gonna get injured. And get a heart monitor. Especially heart monitor is very important. You don't know, a lot of people don't know their bodies, you know, and they keep going and going until they have a heart attack. Well, heart rate monitors cannot 100% fix that, but you know, it can mitigate it. At least you have to watch your own heart rate. Okay. In the same area again. So anyway, I've been at this for almost 2 years now. And hold on, not over there, over here. You going, dude? And recently, like a year ago, you know, I started looking into healthy foods and find out a lot of preservatives that they put in foods are not good. Preservatives, lots of sugar, and seed oil. Seed oil is not good. Well, it's one video that I found. It says that you have to have some sort of omega-3. Omega-3 you get from a fish oil, I think avocados. So you gotta have more of that than what seed oil has, which is omega-6. I think I'm probably butchering this. I'm not, you know, I'm just a researcher, but an actual academic. Anyway, yeah. This is not that bad at all. We're planning to do this. There's another spot that he likes to sniff around. Alright, come on. We're almost there. No, we're not. We're still far. Come on. And he's really having fun right now. So when we get home, he's gonna sleep all day. So I'm just trying to step on my foot track. I have to deal with a lot of resistance. I can't even see the actual side, the walkways. There's so much. I think I'm on the right track. See this pole. See a spot of grass. Almost home, Cora. Okay? Almost home. My puppet already got covered from the wind. It's a lot of drift. Holy crap. It's kind of impressive. See a little bit of my scuffs, but I can feel it again. Cover my face. Oh shit. have a mile of this. At least. This ain't bad. It's just so windy and I can't see shit. It's not cold, you know. But I have to do this. I can't stop. We can't stop now, dude. Come on. Those people working extra early to make sure the roads are safe. Thank you to those people. You're out there and you're doing your thing. It's amazing. Okay. Good. We're almost home. against the wind again, especially in the wide open area like this. You're gonna get blasted. You can still go. Oh, nice little bit of a change for a little bit. Almost up there. It's okay, Baba.